Hey, hi everyone. My name is Yash, and today I welcome you back to my YouTube channel Crazy Cloud. This is the 16th video of LWC learning series, and in this video, we'll be talking about the toast messages in Lightning Web Components. So, without getting any delay, let's get started. So, first, let's understand what are the toast messages, how toast messages looks like, right? So toast messages are nothing but a information message, or let's say a pop-up which gets appeared onto any event, right? So suppose you have created a record in Salesforce, right? And after saving the record, we always get a green color pop-up, right? That the record has been successfully saved, right? So that is a toast message. Correct. So toast messages can be of any variant. Suppose it can be success toast message, it can be error message, it can be an information message, anything, right? So toast messages are nothing but just a pop-up information message which shows to the user onto a particular event, right? Okay. So let's understand that how to create the toast messages. Correct. So let's go to VS Code. Here I have already created one component toast messages just to save the time. So let's create one lightning card first. So what we'll do today is we'll just create a button. On to click off this button, we'll just show a pop-up message. Correct? Show one toast message, let's say. Correct? So first let's create one button. To create a lightning button, first let me create one lightning card. Let's say title should be post message, and let's say icon name can be anything, standard account for now, standard account. Right? Okay. Let's create one button over here, lightning button, and in this lightning button let's give it a label of success, just to show the success message. And on click of this button, let me call handle success method. Correct. And here let me give class sles card body inner. Okay. So now let's create this handle success method into our javascript file. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you want to whenever you want to use lightning toast messages, first you need to import it, right, into your javascript file. So to import your let's say show toast event, import your toast messages like this, import, and then let's use show toast and show toast event, right? Show toast event from lightning, lightning. What was that? Platform, lightning, platform, show toast event. Correct. So now, okay, so we have imported our show toast event method from this lightning platform event platform show toast event. So onto the click of this button, first we need to create one event, right? One first we need to create a event. Let's say const event new, and just use this show toast event. And in this show toast event, we need to pass a JSON, right? And JSON holds some values, right? So title you want to what title you want to keep of this uh, toast message? Let's say success title, sorry, success title, and one message we need to give. Let's say success message, right? And then we need to use variant. So variant specifies which color you want, right? So there can be any variant. There are majorly four variants. We have four variants, which is success, then we have error, then we have info, and then we have warning, right? So success message looks like green, in color is green, the error color is red, and the information color is gray, and warning color is yellow, right? So these are the variants. And one more attribute we have here is dismissible. So dismissible specifies whether your user can have X button. X means the cross button to close this toast message, right? So whether your user can dismiss this message or not. So let's say the okay. So this is the mode, right? Mode can be dismissible, right? Okay, so now we have created one event. Okay, and after creating this event, we need to dispatch this event, right? So not only creating the event is enough, but we need to dispatch this event as well. Event, right? So let's deploy this code and see what happens. Correct. Let's go to this. I have already used this toast message component here. After pressing this save but success button, we are having a toast message as C, and this is dismissible. Correct. We are having this button, right? Dismissible. And this is your title, this is your message, and the green color is your variant, right? So let's create all the toast messages here. Okay, let me rename event 2, event 2, event 3, event 3, 4, and then event 4. Okay, and here in the success we can have error, and here we can use warning, and here we can have info, right? Let me refresh this page. See, success to red, error, and this warning, and again we have this gray message which is information. If you notice here, all the icons are also different. This is warning icon, this is error icon, this is success icon, and then we'll have this info icon. Correct. So this is how toast messages works in LWC. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ping me on LinkedIn, or below this video, you can comment down. Okay, so keep practicing, guys. See you in the next video.